All right, this is Drew Phillips. This is my 64 Ford Galaxie 500. Just another progress. Shout out to Jeff Hooper for hooking up this fender right here for next to nothing. The hardest fender in the world to find, if you ask me. Also, Jeff, thanks for hooking up for me that latch assembly too, bro. I'll never forget. Always give credit. Down to bare metal, they hooking it up right now. Gonna go with a nice two-tone paint. No more details. They redid my entire trunk, fellas. I'm here in Chula Vista, San Diego. They redid my entire trunk because it was rusted pretty bad. So they cut the whole thing out and put a whole new pan in, and then they'll hook up all this stuff here. It's like rhino lining type stuff. I mean, they really hooked it up. And this is Sid. Sid, say hello.
Hey, how are you?
That's right. That's my man Sid. He hooked it up. This is basically, guys, my Galaxie 500. All the panels and everything getting straightened. It's just a progress shot. But I just want to share it with my fellow Ford guys, hot rod guys. Look at it, you know, just take a look. I mean, they doing everything. Everything. I'm excited.
Everything is perfect, straight.
Everything is straight.
So what I do right now.
Alrighty. All right, I'm out. Oh, before I climb out, let me show my friends my Harley Davidson.
Oh.
This is my Road King, y'all. 05, 88-inch motor. Has some work done to it. I won't disclose what, but let's just say it scoots a little better than a normal. There you go. All right, peace.